School taught you how to pass exams, but it didn't teach you how to build wealth, design your life, or think like the top 5%. Here's the truth. Success isn't about luck, it is about habits. And today, I will break down 5 habits rich people use daily and how the 5% rule can change your future. Hi, my name is Davis and I run a pressure washing business now. But the biggest shift in my life wasn't starting a business. It was learning how to think and act like the wealth do. If you are in your 20s and you want to build a life of freedom instead of regrets, then this video is for you. Now, let's dive in the 5 habits that separate the wealthy from everyone else. First on the list is the 5% rule. Focus on what moves the needle. Rich people don't waste time on everything. They focus on the 5% of activities that drive 90% of results. For example, like sales, investing, relationships, and strategy. Stop drowning in busy work. Ask yourself daily, what is the 5% that will change my future? The second habit is invest before you spend. Most people earn money, spend, and then save what is left. On the other hand, rich people, when they earn the money, they invest and then spend what is left. Even if it's just $50 a month, train your brain to invest first. That is how wealth compounds. The third habit you should learn is master consistency, even when it is boring. Look at this. Most people your age are chasing the next shiny trend. New side hustle today, another tomorrow. That is why they never build anything solid. On the other hand, wealthy people, they stay consistent. They pick a few habits like reading, working out, creating, investing, and they stick with it day in, day out. I am not gonna lie, it wasn't easy for me at first. There were days I didn't feel like reading, going to the gym, or creating videos that you're watching right now. But I forced myself to show up anyway, and now I love it. Those small, boring actions have led to one of the biggest projects of my life. I'm writing a book that is going to change lives, and it is packed with lessons on financial fortitude and future proofing, mindset, self-discovery, relationships, and purpose. Everything I wish I knew in my 20s. This book has been months in making, and I can't wait to share it with you. But here's the point. None of this would have happened without consistency. Consistency is not flashy. It is not trending, but mastering it is how you build empires, how you create freedom, and design a life you actually want. The next habit on the list is building high-value relationships. The rich don't just network, they build real connections. They surround themselves with ambitious, positive people who think big. Your circle is either your ceiling or your launch pad, so choose wisely. Fifth, learn faster than everyone else. Rich people are obsessed learners. They read books, they listen to podcasts, hire coaches, and invest in mentorship. In your 20s, knowledge compounds faster than money. Never stop learning. So now you've learned the 5 rich people's habits. This is the difference between the average and the wealthy. Now, write in the comment section below, which of these 5 habits are you going to start today? And if you're serious about building wealth and breaking free in your 20s, subscribe to this channel. On this channel, we talk about real strategies, not empty words. Your 20s are your foundation. Build the right habits now, and your 30s and 40s will thank you, because wealth isn't built in a day, it is built daily.